To get best Vyvanse coupon code, you simply have to search it on your Google Chrome and then click on the first website called singlecard.com here. As you can see, the single gear website, and on the home page you can see that there is a lot of promo codes mentioned here. If you want to select anything else, you can select it like this: $73 off. Here you can click on the save coupon option and you can print it also. Now this is how you can get it. Click on the second website, that is Help RX. In this website, as same as the previous one, on the home page you will see that your prescription discount is about 75%, and how you can get free coupons for it. To get it, you simply have to click on the free coupon option and you will get it. Let's hop to the third website, that is Optimum Plus here. And in this website also, unlike all these are the some of the best and the genuine medicine website in front of you. So you can see you can get any of the pharmacies promo code, get a discount code, and then you can simply save on purchase of a Vyvanse medicine on your pharmacist. This is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates and videos like this.